What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand, and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's gonna really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm gonna show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you, as they say, so you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show, and as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking, so watch this. Hey guys, it's your boy Mr. Luke Brooks here. The one of us. We're gonna see if this works. Let's see if we can bring back those abs again. Basically, this is supposed to be not liposuction, but it's supposed to be a fat melter. I'm doing some research on this. They say this is supposed to work. Supposed to break down the stubborn fat that you may have. And I looked at my belly and stuff, and I've been working out and just have fat that's just gonna break down. I'm supposed to be doing this for 3 hours. Initially it did hurt, like when they put the first one on, it was okay. The second one felt like someone was eating my rib. But I will get back with you on this. There's gonna be more video content explaining more about this. Don't miss out on this. Hey guys, it's your boy Mr. Luke Evan Brooks here. Doing a process up here at Apex Medical Center. Just giving myself final touches here. We're gonna see how this works. I hope everyone's doing well. There will be a video to talk about this more in detail on why I did it. Does it work? I looked at the data, it does work. It's a instant. No, it's not instant. It's not liposuction at all. The whole idea is this is supposed to get to your fat cells, which no one in my family, we hold our fat in our stomach. And you see me working and you see me getting tense and stuff, but the whole thing is that you just got to find a part that won't break it down. And this is one of these ways, it's non-surgical, that's supposed to break those cells down. And you might say, hey, where is this supposed to be going? It goes through your sweat, it goes through your urine, it goes to reduce it. Not forever get rid of it, but it's supposed to reduce it. So right now, they got this in my stomach, and this is supposed to break down those fat cells in your stomach and on your sides. Process, they say you'll see something about 2 weeks. Continue working out, continue doing what you need to do. But in about 2 months, 3 months, you see a total change, right? So, as you know, I've been working out, been hitting it hard, and I'm gonna show you some pictures of how I used to look. My boy Jason knows, we used to play football together. We're getting back to that. I'm like, I am getting back to that. And I've been hitting it hard. So guys, this is how that looks right here. So getting that tight, getting that right, making sure that we get that temperature. Yeah, we're good. I'm making a live video. I'm making video. So that's the technician there. So the thing is, I gotta be in here for 3 hours. And it hurt. I ain't gonna lie, it hurt at first. Like it felt like someone sucked on my rib. Like, they sucked on it. And that felt funny. But then they reduced the pressure. Now, is it supposed to lift the fat out of here? No, that's not how that works. What it does, it's supposed to hit those fat cells in your skin. It's supposed to wake them up, loosen them up. Almost turn them into like jelly-like liquid substance. Right? Over time, within about 2 weeks, you start noticing that, right? Which, that's the reason I want to go ahead and get this knocked down. I told them I want to get it knocked out. I don't want to be waiting, because they were like, you can come back in sessions. I'm like, no, we're about to roll out of here. I got video content to make. This is part of the video content, so I think that's cool. I just don't want to have that belly popping up, you know. That's the thing. I want to get that knocked out. We've been doing squats, so people say, hey, why did you just work out? Been working out. Been working out hard. Been doing stuff that I used to not even do in high school. Been doing press and clean. We never did that in high school football. That's good, Jason. That's good. Wow. And I mean, it is taking a second to get this weight down. So for me, I used to be 150, guys. I used to be 150 pounds. That was like my last weight in high school. And it kept going until I joined the military. That's when it started to creep up and things like that. So we've been working out. I've been doing the cardio, been doing the running and stuff. This is just the extra boost to just kick it down its throat. Now, how much weight would you lose doing this? You're not going to sit there and lose 20, 30 pounds doing this. This is not what that's designed for. This is supposed to break down those fat cells, those hanging in spots that you're trying to get rid of. And the stomach is the number one spot that is hard to get rid of. And we're going to see. So guys, I just wanted to show you what's going on and give kudos to Jason for, giving his testimony. More power to him. And we're going to get down to getting back down to the way I used to be when I was in high school. So that's going to take place here. So guys, give me your thoughts. What do you think? Let me know. We're going out after this is done. We have places to go. So we'll be in here till, what time is it? Almost till 8 o'clock. So that's not bad. Yeah. I mean, he was on the weightlifting team too. We had a weightlifting team our junior senior year where we go compete with other schools for the county. I think it was called a hunk award. And my weight class was like 135, 145. And off gate, what happened was I started off with the bench press. And everyone knows I'm doing bench press. As the years go by, I get stronger. And I don't know why that's like that. It's not like I'm doing extra or anything. I don't know, my bones is just like solidify this or whatever, because over time your bones do become stronger to support your frame. I'm jumping off gate, start off with 225. I clearly remember that when we did the first one, we started off with 225 in my weight class between 140 and 155. Lift that off the gate. You get 3 tries, right? And you're competing with other people in the county. The guy that I competed with is Miss Lita. Yeah. Getting this done. So, when we did this, the guy was like, I can't do it. I mean, we intimidated him. I mean, Bessemer City, our school, when it came to weightlifting, you couldn't outlift us. Only people close to it might have been terrible, I think. But when we went to the competitions, we knocked people out. And the guy was like, I can't lift that. That's my strongest. I can't lift it. And that was lifting that for the first one. I couldn't. And they said, you can stop if you want to. I said, no, we'll keep going. So when I kept lifting more, I said, more weight, please. More weight, please. We got to 275 where I could easily went to 295. And it was like, I give up. They gave up on the first lift. So then we went to squats. And squats, I didn't have to do too much. I think I did like 395. I don't think it was 400. We did 400 when we were in high school. The football team, I was out competing one of the linemen. I thought you did that competition. You didn't do it for senior year? It was something that Coach Nichols had where the county was like, hey, we need people who were interested in this weightlifting contest. I swear I thought you was in there. So anyway, we did that. knocked that out. It wasn't too crazy. Knocked it out. And I think the other contest was the incline machine. Just doing an bench incline. We knocked that bad boy out. I think I did 225 on the incline. You know, one rep max. Then the following year, they start adding other stuff to try to limit the time we needed you to do the longest jump and all this other bull. And one guy beat me on that. He beat me on that longest jump or whatever, but I didn't care about that. As long as you win the majority is what counts, and they could not compete me. So I want to go back to that. I want to go back and chase that. So guys, if you're just now tuning in, we're getting this done. We're getting this knocked out. It got me wrapped up. It was funny because I left my translator. At that house. And I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know exactly where I left it at the bar. At my house. So you can use your translator on your phone, but I think I'm okay. You can get by. I pick up pretty well with other languages, certain words and stuff. So hopefully we get out of here. I can go to the jewelry store, get something fixed, definitely get something to eat because I'm hungry. Did about a 2-hour workout session. And getting sweating. I was sweating crazy, and it's not even hot out here. It feels good. Compared to coming from Bahrain, it feels very good out here. So guys, what's your thoughts? What's going on? What's going on back home in the States? I haven't been home in a long time. So, how's gas over there? How y'all looking with gas? Let me know. Now I'm gonna do a YouTube video on this. So we're gonna talk about this more. I'm gonna build up the video. I'm gonna show you the content. I'm gonna show you the staff. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna tell you some other stuff too. So, guys, I'm logging off here. Pretty quiet. Hit me up if you got questions. I'll talk to you in DMs. All right. Take care. So guys, I hope that you enjoy the content that I'm giving you. And if you do, please guys, please, I need your help. I need you to go ahead and subscribe and give me thumbs up. It all helps. YouTube looks at everything that you do, especially when you give me thumbs up for my content. Now there's gonna be more videos. We're at our second half again, guys. Our second half, I have 15 more videos that I basically gonna have to do. And Thailand is not over with. Now, they may be like, hey, where's the action at? The second half is going to have a lot more action than what you're seeing. It's going to have a lot more commentary, too, because there's a lot of things that I did that I didn't talk about while I was on the street. So that's what I'm preparing for you guys. And, oh, guys, by the way, this is called Cooking with Luke and Friends. Luke and Friends, I have a cookbook. Just look right over here. There's a cookbook right here. You go here, check out the cookbook. It's great, the greatest meals that you could possibly think of as far as your restaurants, like your Chick-fil-A's, your McDonald's, your TGI Fridays. I break those down and I show you exactly how to make those meals at your home. So guys, again, I thank you. Don't forget to check me out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification and give me those likes, guys. If you want to see something else, just go ahead and comment down below. If you say, hey, Luke, I like this or I don't like this, I take that feedback and I try to get you what you want, okay? All right, guys. I see you on the other side. Take care.